Habuzireyo kache umunyeshengerekazi w'ururembo rwa Hoima asa Nancy Nyakato w'ekigombe kya Forum Democratic Change ayeterebe konde na kansara uri kurirebye mirimo Wax Margaret Mande wa NRM barukufa enkorambe y'enkoto. Arasisi wa Hoima State Badru Mugabi agerezeho kubaramara byabe byabusha.
You are not an engineer. Yesterday we went to monitor, we saw with our eyes.
Ururembo rwa Hoima rukwejunisa biliyoni emwe rukozere enkute zirimu rwa Kabaryanga orumaziraho miliyoni 10 orwa Chendicho Burinda Kasomoro orumazireho miliyoni 17 orwa Kasingo Kasasa ahari miliyoni 5 ezindi harimo orwa Kaduma Chirubika Chabaryanga orwa miliyoni 37 Karongo Budaka orumaziraho miliyoni 19 ezindi nga Kichwamba Rutebere tubakarutire maramu ekinyakatari kugira ngo sente bazirire bakora bityo.
Everybody mu meeting mu biboine. Seeing the Minister of Works defending so the work to be a good work. They have tried their best, we have done our best. Road fund ye billion emwe twarabize mu parliament erabibuwaho. It is supposed to do quality work, not just telling us we are trying, we have tried.
Mande nagira ngo enshonga z'akaruru nizo ziri kubatabura.
No yemera mali no yemera abakuba yokwenda kubaza abakuba tuli towards the elections nibo izire okwenda abantu bahule ngo kozeregeki obalize kandi kitali ha ground. Abekitinisa nkwenda kubagamba tusakwemera kwagamba mutayi wa deputy mayor wa Hoima East. Abakansali tukutwale tenda zokusa. Imagine.
Wamara mali supposed kuba nateka Maramu esimu za kazi yao, but they paid him to the fullest. Bakamusasura bamumarayo. So where does it leave us as leaders? Where does it leave engudo zaitu nko musite?
Buri omwe akakumuna akatimoro mugenzi we ahabwo butashikiriza mwoga gwe.
Umuntu ayasupplyingire Maramu akafune miliyoni 8. He disappeared with the money. So niho tusabire leka abo bujunanize bakoleki. Baije okutinisa RCC basobole kusera omojogo.
Of course aba engineer batugambira engude zikusinga tezikama zero. But interacting with nabantu bayitu mu boinenti 3 weeks back abakora engude nibo barugira site.
Buri mwaka government nehereza za district hamwe n'endembo biliyoni emwe okukora enkuto okubasa abantu okutambuza ebihingwa n'emishuburo yabo. Amakuraga gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.